awesome. And if you haven't, I don't know how long it's going to be until they reopen the registration. I surely don't, because I've got customers going, we love this. We got investors. We got, listen, I've got $100,000. Man, I want to start investing in this high frequency trading. You know what you're doing, because your outcomes are impeccable. Your outcomes are better than any hedge funds that's out there. And I'm just going, wow, finally I'm getting noticed for my recognition. However, though, I can't actually get customers now because Bittrex hasn't unlocked their usability. So with that said, I tell you the market is hot right now because the market went up, touched 16,000 again, back down to 15,000, and we're just all over the board, which means the volatility in this market and the volatility in my program is working as expected. So with that said, hey, today is January 5th, 2018. This is the NVIS cryptocurrency index to compare with a gain of 7.7% for the day, closing at 13,707. That's basically the top 10 indexes of the cryptocurrency world. It's a wild and volatile market, man. This is not for the faint of heart. This is awesome, I tell you. This is probably the best thing since sliced bread. Or you're that two dogs sleeping at the same time. It doesn't happen in this family much often, but it does happen. And when it's nice, it's nice. All right. So, with that said, I can tell you that Bitcoin is sitting at 15,175. It did touch the $16,000 mark a couple hours ago. But what happened? That's a good question. People bought at 13, sold at 16. All right, so they made, $3,000. So, with that said, the Bitcoin and USD market represents about 37% of the daily volume shares, as where Japan is slightly behind at 30,000. Man, I tell you, whatever's going on with Japan and the reason why they're in it, that's a good thing, because the market wouldn't be as nearly as volatile without them. Well, a lot of y'all are saying, well, it could be some other country. That's true. Like Mexico. Mexico is not far behind from Japan, and neither is Europe. So it's more of the Czech Republic, Poland area, and Germany area that are doing a lot of the minings because it's cheap. Also in the I wouldn't say so much Finland now, but I would say let's go with Greenland. Greenland has cheap electricity, and of course the libertarians are going, the more we get this thing going, the better off we are, and the faster we can get away from the banks. So hey, good news, guys. If you're an Ethereum person, you're loving it. It just touched $1,000 again, and it's getting closer and closer than ever than just staying right above 1,000. So that's the good news about Ethereum. Ethereum has risen over 10% over the last 24 hours, sitting at 1,014. It has dropped to 998 at the current time of this recording, and Ether Exchange here in America has 29% of the market. So where's the others? More of the Russia and Germany area, actually. Well, for the last 24 hours, that's where the rest of the market's going. Like I said, every day is a different day. I know there's a lot of ICOs out there that are creating smart contracts to really civilize and help out the industry. However, though, a lot of the ICOs that are coming out that people are trying to get you into invest in are just scam coins. They're shit coins, is what they're known as. And the reason why is that because they'll never see the light of day. And of course, my Great Danes have just said, all right, we can't take your talking anymore. That's all we hear about is Bitcoins. So with that said, on the good news is Texas official strikes BitConnect with the cease and desist order. Okay, now we're starting to see what's going on with BitConnect. The Securities Commission of the state of Texas filed an emergency cease and desist order for BitConnect yesterday. In the official report, the Texas State Securities Board accuses the London-based investment platform of fraud and the selling of unlicensed securities. This is where we actually see BitConnect starting to dwindle off. Everyone's trying to get out of it, but they can't. This is where things get interesting. So, with that said, and the responding to BitConnect in violating Section 7 of the Texas Security Act by offering securities for sale in Texas at the time when securities are not registered with the Securities Commissioner, nor will they ever be. I mean, think about it. If London's having a hard time trying to find these guys who own BitConnect, then they'll never register their Securities Act. So that's the strange thing about this whole ordeal. When was this going to happen? We didn't know when, but we knew it was going to happen. So with that being said, BitConnect is now starting to fall apart because a lot of Americans actually have BitConnect, their money in BitConnect. So, and this is not going to stop until every American is out of BitConnect. And will that happen? Not for the next 9 months. So if you have money in BitConnect, you're actually now faltering an illegal contract, and you could get restitution for it. So, all right, guys, quit it. All right. So with the order of the cease and desist for BitConnect, BitConnect is now in trouble, and they either have to let all the Texas and U.S. What would you call them? Citizens go, which is not going to happen, and so these guys are going to be in deep crap for the next 9 months. So, Binance, let's go with the next one. Binance Exchanges disables new user registration. Once again, if you're not a Binance, if you're already a Binance user, great, congratulations. One of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges announces the immediate suspension of clients' registration. Why is that? There's too many of y'all. The company informed all prospective clients about an hour ago. Due to the overwhelming surge in popularity, Binance will have to temporarily disable new user registration to allow for an infrastructure upgrade. Where have we heard this before, folks? Bittrex. And that's what you get when you have live television. Here, let me show you this. Two Great Danes going. Yeah. All right. So with the order of all these exchanges getting overwhelming, popularity, this is where my program starts faltering. Well, because now I can't get any new users. But the thing is, I'm making a killing. I'll show you here at the end of this episode. Coinbase squashes exchange listing rumors. Guess what? Yesterday, Coinbase announced that for now, it will not be adding any new cryptocurrencies to either its flagship platform or its digital assets exchange. GDAX, in a blog post from the company, which currently allows customers to buy, sell, deposit, or withdraw Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and most recently Bitcoin Cash, said it wanted to explain its decision. The update follows the rumors that exchanges would add Ripple to the token. Guess what? It states that as of the date of this statement, which was yesterday, we had made no decision to add additional assets to either GDEX or Coinbase. Any statement to the contrary is untrue and not authorized by the company. Guess what? Don't believe in the rumors, folks, because there are a lot of them. This is one episode that's going to be interesting. I got to rename this. So, hold on, folks. Hey, stop it. All right, out. And they're not going to listen to me. All right, so this is everyone's favorite portion called the state of crypto. So Bitcoin is up 5.72% at 15,175. It was up 6%, but dealing with the volatility in this market, it's back down to 5.72. Ether is up 5.1 against Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash is down 5.49 against Bitcoin. Ripple is down 7.66 based on the rumors. Based on the rumors that it had. Now the reality comes out, so everyone's dropping Ripple because it's not going to be on Coinbase. Zcash is down 2.94%. Litecoin is up 7.29%. Dash is down 0.23%. Is up 0.3% against the Bitcoin. And so IOTA is down 1.6%. Ether Classic is up 5.21% against Bitcoin. Monero is up 0.9% against the dollar. Neo is up 3.25% for the day against Bitcoin. Waves is down 0.48% against Bitcoin. And Stratus is also down 2.54% against the Bitcoin. So, you know what? I'm keeping this. So, what's going on with my account? So, I've made over 150 to 175 trades. My account's now up to $112,000. My Bitcoin is down points. Let's see. If y'all remember yesterday, I had 7.21 Bitcoin at $105,000. So Bitcoin is down, my profit is up. It's not bad. So, and that's all the time I've got because I've got to go get these guys outside and let them play around. So y'all have a terrific day out there. Like I said, the volatility market is hot. I'm loving this industry. We're just making a killing for everyone who has an exchange. My product will be out there on the crypto. Okay, Cryptopia. So I am looking for beta testers. Shoot me an email. And through contact says I'm interested in becoming a beta tester on your Cryptomania marketplace. So if you have an exchange out there, if you have a user out there on Cryptopia, then like I said, I'm looking for beta testers. But until then, folks, my name is James Henderson here at millardabitcoin.com, where the market is always hot. So what I say is never true because one, is for entertainment purposes, and two, by the time you see this, it's going to change. So until then, my name is James Henderson signing off. I'll see you tomorrow morning here at millardabitcoin.com.